Hello students, now you are studying the exercise 13.4 of this chapter. Exercise 13.4. Exercise 13.4 question number 1. What is given? Find the surface area of a sphere. Very simple. You want to find out surface area, that is 4 pi r square, and here the three parts are given. 10.5 is the radius. What is given? Radius is given 10.5 centimeter. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 into 22 by 7, 10.5 square. That you will put and find out the values. All the radius are given. What is the unit given? In that centimeter. Like this, there is a second and the third parts are given. Question number 2. All the radius. Find the surface area of a sphere of diameter. Diameter is given in the first part. What is given? Diameter. Same question like this. How much? 14 centimeter. So radius is equal to 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. Therefore surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 square. Like this you will get the second and third part of this also. Second part and the third part. Question number 3. What is the question number 3 given? Find the total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface of area of hemisphere you want. TSA of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. TSA of the hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square if the radius is given 10. Radius is given 10, pi is given 3.14. You put the value and get. Question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 to 14 centimeter. Radius is increased from r 7 centimeter increased to 14 centimeter when it is expanded balloon. As the air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the areas of the balloon in two cases. Find the ratio of the areas of balloon in two cases. There is a two case. So surface area by first case is equal to pi r square with 4. Surface area of the second case is equal to 4 pi capital R square. The ratio of this case, surface area 1 upon surface area 2. 4 pi r square upon 4 pi capital R square, it is cancelled. You get 7 upon 14. That is 7 upon 14 square. 7 to the 14 whole square you can get. So 1 is to 4. What is the ratio? Before and after the ratio will be 1 is to 4. Directly you can get. Question number 5 is given here. In this question number 5, what is the question number 5 is given? A hemispherical bowl made of a brass of inner diameter 10.5. Inner diameter is 10.5 centimeter. Cost of tin plating and this is the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Rate is given rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So you will find the surface area, that is 4 pi r square. What is the radius? 10.5 by 2. After this calculation you multiply, all is given in centimeters, so cost multiply by area multiply by 16 upon 100 will be your cost. Question number 6. Find the radius of sphere. In the question number 6, what is given? Find the radius of sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. surface area is given 154 centimeter square. You want to find out radius, means 4 pi r square is given 154. Then r square is 154 by 4 pi. 154, 2 into 22 and 7 will be upside. 2 7 ja 11, 2 ja 11, 7 ja. Here you are getting 4 is there, not 2. 2 2 the 4, 2 7 the 2 2 the, what are you getting? 49 by 4. So what is r? R will be square root, that is 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeter. What is the surface area you are getting? 3.5 centimeter you are getting the radius of this. Question number 7. The diameter of a moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Let diameter of earth is equal to 2r. So radius of earth will be r. So what is the diameter of the moon? 1/4 into 2r. 2 to the, that is r by 2. So radius of the moon will be half of the diameter of the moon. You are getting the diameter of the moon is r by 2, 1/4. So half into r by 2, that is r by 4. It is the radius of the moon. Radius of the moon and radius of the earth you know. What is your question? Your question is find the ratio of their surface areas. So surface area of the moon upon surface area of the earth is equal to 4 pi radius of the moon square upon 4 pi radius of the earth square. 4 pi cancel, what is there? Radius of moon upon radius of earth whole square. Put the radius of moon. Radius of moon is r by 4 upon radius of earth is r whole square. R upon 4r whole square. So it will be cancelled, r and r. You get 1 by 4 whole square, that is 1:16. 1:16 is the surface area of the moon is 1/16 of surface area of the earth. Or you can say 16 times of the moon is the surface area of the earth. 16 times greater. Which area? Surface area of the earth is 16 times greater than the surface area of the moon. Question number 8. In the question number 8, what will you get? There is a hemispherical bowl made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. Hemispherical bowl made of a sheet of 0.25 centimeter thick. This is given 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Inner radius, that is r, is given 5 centimeter. Outer radius is this. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So outer radius is equal to inner radius plus thickness. So that is 5 plus 0.25 gives you 5.25 centimeter. It is the outer radius. Find the outer CSA of the bowl. Outer CSA is equal to 2 pi capital R square. 2 pi capital R square. You 7. You will put the values here, pi and r, 22 by 7 and r is this, and then find out the outer CSA. Question number 9. In the question number 9, a right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder, this. It is given, right circular cylinder. just encloses the sphere of radius r. Sphere of radius r, it is given r. Just enclosure means touching the walls. So height of cylinder is the diameter, that is 2r. And the radius of the sphere as well as the radius of the cylinder both will be same. Surface area of the sphere, there is a 3 parts question is given. What is the meaning? Just enclosure means the sphere touches the top, touches the bottom, touches the walls of the cylinder. That's why the diameter of the cylinder and the diameter of the cylinder is equal to diameter of the sphere, is equal to 2r.